On private jets, taking trips, some bag of six, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
Apartment tour. Wow, this house looks so nice. Let me take you guys and see it together. Ni gani kwa azimi na kufuata tu? Ya juu? Ni rooms ngapi ngapi? Hadi juu. This house is inside Social Estate. Wow. Hey guys, see where I'm breathing. Oh. Wow. Sasa, uko poa? Kazi bado haijaisha. So hapa itakuwa place pa kuanika manguo. Oh. See the house. This is, I think this is a one bedroom. Guys, what's this? What is this? This is a one bedroom. It has an open kitchen over there. I think it's a one bedroom. It's not a bad one, guys. Wow. It's nice. I don't even know the price. Let's test if the sink is working. Wow. Let's just see this. Guys. Okay, I don't even know to I think this was the plan. The initial plan. Sasa, hii ni one bedroom, si ndio? Hii ni two bedroom. Okay. This that. Oh my goodness. This is the entrance to the washroom. I'm giving you the details you wanna see. So, this is the light. This is the shower. Wow. So spacious. Wardrobe. That's the work is still going on. Yes. Watu wanaweza anza kuingia sasa. Ama hujasikia? Watu wanaweza anza kuingia? Wako nyao wenye wako chini? Okay. So this is another bedroom. That's how the lighting is so good. The lighting is perfect. Let's see the closets. Wow. Those are the closets. See? I don't know whether this is a master bedroom. Let's check the other bedroom. Let's check it out together. I think now this is the master bedroom because I can see. Guys, what's that? Let me move the camera closer. Tell me, what's this? In the comment section below, I don't know. We educate each other. This is the master bedroom now. Oh. Wow, the window is so big. This is the master washroom. Mirror, mirror on the wall. This is the biggest one of them all. Let's come into this. That's the sink and that's the mirror. Here you can hang your towels. Wow, I love it. Do you guys love the house? That's the master bedroom. And this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the common toilet. See? That's the common toilet. This is the kitchen once more. I love that lighting over there. So nice. These big shelves. I can just take. So this is light, guys. Huh? Kitanda na? Closet. Si mbaya for a 1-bedroom. Because this is a 1-bedroom house. 1 bedroom. This is the 1-bedroom washroom. See the mirror on the wall. Wow, I love mirrors. So this is the 1-bedroom house. This is the washroom. This is the kitchen. And hii jikoni nayo. Hii jikoni nakaa ni kadogo sana. Si ndio? Yu unapika aje hata ukiwa na gas kubwa? I love everything about the 1-bedroom except the kitchen. Let's see the balcony. It's a 1-bedroom balcony. Construction is going on next door. Okay. So guys, I didn't know about this. I'm told you put soap here. You refill your soap and you use it to wash your hands. Doorbell. This 1-bedroom. 1-bedroom house. Guys, I was told these are the lights. I didn't know about it. Now I know. It's an open kitchen. It's an open kitchen. I love lights. See that one. So this is the sink. This is the soap area. And that's the kitchen window. This is, don't worry about these things. They will remove them. The work is still ongoing. They're doing some cleanings. Then people will start paying for the rooms. Let me take you through the mirror on the wall. So this is the 1-bedroom washroom. There's the shower head. And now this is the bedroom itself. The lighting should be here. This is the bedroom itself. The closets are over there. I can't pass through here because there are a lot of things down here. Building materials. See? Wow. That is the bed. One bedroom. That's the sitting room. Finally, this is the compound. So spacious. The kids can play here. Oh, the building is called Cool Place. The number is over there. Cool Palace. That is it. This is the external view of the house.